Hi everybody. Long-awaited release is finally here. Pretty excited to share this with you folks. So, it's been about a year in the works here. This is our final revision. We do have the option for a stainless polished version. You can order this in your custom powder coats that we already offer on the website. Those will increase lead time. We plan to produce the majority of these in our Grim Reaper Black, as you can see here. It matches the OEM colors very nicely. It's a very good looking color. So you can hop on the website today and order this bad boy. It's our 4 electric fan kit.
Hop in the music and rock your body. I wanna dance to the lights. I wanna rock your body. I wanna go for a ride. Hop in the music.
Yes, it's been tested in the heat. Towing, it's been tested doing burnouts. Clayton Freed tested it, so that should explain everything. If you guys know anything about Clayton Freed, that guy gets rowdy, okay? He's at home for, well, he's headed home right now for the Thanksgiving holiday to go spend some time with his family, so he's not here. But he did get this assembled for us last night. Our final version, when it ships, will have wire loom over this right here and wire loom over this. This is as simple as it gets. This is the all-out kit that we offer. This plugs into your OEM fan clutch harness right here, and that controls the fans. This right here, you'll run to your battery and your ground. So you'll run this straight to the battery, the positive and the ground of your battery, okay? It must go to the battery, and that is it. This is how it'll show up assembled if you order it like this. You will plug this in, mount it, done. There is no extra work here. From there, start your truck, and if you really want to play with it, you can get yourself a snap-on scanner or something with your key off and turn command fans on. You can hear the fans kick on. This right here is gonna make it amazing. Really cool part about these fans, and we tried a lot. Yes, we even tried the junk-ass Amazon kit that some people are telling me, well, you can just buy that for 200 bucks on Amazon. Well, you know what? You go buy that one. You let me know when you keep popping head gaskets, and we'll get you something quality right here, okay? The one on Amazon, each of those fans are rated for 1,000 CFM. That equates to 4,000 CFM. Our direct competitor, their fans equal 6,800 CFM. Your OEM fan clutch, whether it be a stock one or your snowplow clutch, are rated for 8,000 to 10,000 CFM. All combined here, all 4 of these fans from Proform, these are rated for up to 12,000. It'll start at 8 and go to 12, okay? So when they kick on, you got 8,000 CFM. As temperatures increase and there's more fan command from the ECM, the fans will go to full bore. Now you can also order this and you wire it up yourself, or you can order it with a harness that we send you with a relay and flip on the switch, and then it's full bore all the time. That's up to you, okay? You can separate it out to where these ones come on. We have it all programmed right here, okay? Those are a couple different options. Now, another really cool part about this bad boy is this right here, these Proforms. These are all a soft start technology, low amperage rating fans. Okay, they're brushless fans. Maximum amperage, if you have all these fans running at max, will be 70 amps. Okay? Now, yes, on all 6.0s we recommend upgrading the alternator. That's a different video, a whole nother story. Your alternator in your 6.0 is rated for a Ford Focus. It's the same one that comes on a Focus. Pretty wild. But for the purpose of testing, Clayton ran this kit with a Duralast Gold AutoZone standard 135 amp alternator that cost you 280 bucks or whatever they have there, okay? Yes, we recommend upgrading your alternator with or without this kit, no matter what. An upgraded alternator is needed in the 6.0 Powestroke world. That being said, we did this on purpose. We tested this with a stock output alternator to make sure that it would keep up. When the fans are on, you can watch voltage and amperage drop down to about 12.8. When the fans are off, obviously it'll climb up to about 13.8, okay? That's pretty standard to expect because we are putting a pretty good load on the electrical system. The benefit is you're gonna lose the load on the engine, which is gonna increase performance of the engine, mileage, horsepower, all that good stuff, okay? Ultimately, this is the Blessed Performance Quad Electric Fan Kit, rated for up to 12,000 CFM. It's 12 months in the making, okay? And we're super excited to release it. These are on a pre-order status right now, okay? We have enough kits we have enough to build 50 of these right away, okay? With Clayton taking a week off for family, we decided to release a pre-order status. That means you can order it and be patient. They will start shipping December 15th, okay? We have everything here ready to go. We have all enough supplies. That was kind of the wait. We were waiting on supplies to show up. We were waiting on our new press brake to show up and get installed because our press brake failed on us. So we can make these tight bends like this. We had a new laser that we ordered, new fiber laser come in. So there was a whole bunch of things playing along getting this released. That's why we are a little bit delayed. We're about a month and a half behind on when we planned to originally release it. But then we ran into problems with the press brake. That's really the biggest problem we ran into. When the press brake failed, we were like, well, we can't make that bend, so we gotta wait till the new one gets here. And then we ordered the fans. They took longer than expected to come in, but whatever. They're ready to go. You can order this today on the website, lesperformance.com. It is the only quad electric fan kit on the market that is rated to tow, that you can use while towing with your 6.0 Powestroke. These are only for pickup trucks right now. 2003 to 2007 Ford 6.0 pickup trucks, okay? It's gotta be a pickup truck. Cabin chassis, same thing, okay? They do not work on the E-Series yet. We have an E-Series radiator. We plan to build a kit for the E-Series. I don't think we can squeeze as many fans, but I'm pretty confident we can do 2 14s on that. Yes, we plan to release a plug-in or a wire up yourself kit for a 7.3. 7.3s don't have an electric fan clutch, so we can't give you a plug and play. This design is going to work in the long run on the 6.4s and the 6.7 Powestrokes, on your 6.7 Cummins. We have a lot of plans with this. It's going to come out. It's going to take time. Obviously, we're pretty well known in the 6.0 world, so we release the 6.0 one first, and we're going to release the other ones as we go along. We appreciate you guys' support. Without you guys pushing us to keep doing things like this, we wouldn't keep trying to. We got some more cool stuff coming for 6.0s, trust me, and other trucks as well. Plenty of cool stuff coming for trucks. Now that we've got our machines back up and operational, as the boss, that was stressful. But now that we're up and operational again, we got some really cool stuff coming, and we excited to share that with you folks. And we really appreciate you guys. Without you guys, we don't get to do this cool stuff right here. So check it out, lesperformance.com. Click like, subscribe, follow, all that cool stuff. You already know what to do.